Hello everyone, in this lecture I am going to explain the literary topic, flashback, and it is going to be defined and also its main points are also elaborated, but if you are new to my channel, then please like and subscribe the channel. Let's learn it. What is a flashback? A flashback is a device used in stories that interrupts the flow of the plot to show readers an event that happened previously. What does it mean? Simply, it means that a flashback is nothing but it is a device used in drama or a story which show readers about an event which has happened previously in the story. Basically, a flashback in a story is a narrative technique that takes the reader or viewer back in time to a previous event or scene that happened before the current point in the story. This technique is used to provide background information, develop characters, reveal important details, or explain motivations and circumstances that are influencing the present situation. In other words, you can say that most flashbacks are utilized to provide background so that the audience has a greater understanding of the story, characters, setting, etc. As you have got the idea that a flashback is nothing but a narrative technique which tells about an event which has happened earlier in the story. So there must be a question in your mind that what is the function of flashback in a story, so let me tell you in simple words. The first function of the flashback is provide background information. This is the main function of flashback, that it gives the audience essential information about a character's past or the history of events. This background context helps the reader or viewer understand the present situation more fully. In other words, you can say that in some stories, especially in complex narratives, flashbacks help build the world by explaining the history or mythology of the setting. So this is one of the main functions of flashback, that it provides background information to the readers or audience. The next function is develop character. This is also one of the main functions of this technique. Actually, by showing past experiences, flashbacks reveal the motivations, fears, desires, and conflicts that drive a character's actions in the present. Basically, that is flashback which allows the audience to see the experiences, events, and relationships that have shaped a character into who they are in the present. You can say that it reveals a character's backstory, showing the audience where they come from, what experiences they've had, and how those experiences have influenced their personality, beliefs, and behavior. For instance, in superhero stories, flashbacks often show the traumatic or significant events that led the character to become a hero or villain. The another point is enhance plot. By this point it means that flashbacks can be used to reveal secrets or important plot twists that change the reader's or viewer's understanding of the story. You should also keep in mind that sometimes, a flashback provides hints or clues that foreshadow future events, creating anticipation or tension. In other words, you can say that it is often employed to reveal secrets or hidden aspects of the story that the audience or other characters are unaware of. These secrets can change the direction of the plot or alter the audience's understanding of previous events. Actually, it can introduce plot twists by revealing critical information from the past that was not previously known to the audience. This new information can turn the story in an unexpected direction, creating a fresh and engaging twist. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture, but please don't forget like and subscription to my channel. Thank you.